In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to e-sign using Pandadoc, perfect for beginners. Electronic signatures have become an essential part of daily business operations, offering a convenient and efficient way to handle important documents. By the end of this guide, you will be navigating Pandadoc with ease and confidence. To get started, open up your web browser and head over to Pandadoc's website. Once you're there, you'll find the login button, prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Click on it to continue. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to create one first. However, in our scenario, let's assume you're ready to log in. After clicking login, you'll be directed to the sign in page. Here you will see several options, including logging in with Google, which is the method we'll use today. It's convenient and quick, especially if you already have a Google account. So go ahead and click on the Google option. Next, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use for signing into Pandadoc. Choose the account you've already signed into your browser. If you're not signed in, you'll just need to enter your email and password for your Google account at this point. Now that you're logged into Pandadoc, you'll arrive at the dashboard. Here you'll see a list of documents. This could be contracts, proposals, or any other files you're working with. Select the document that you need to e-sign. To do this, simply click on the document title. This will open up the document in the editor. Once inside the document editor, it's time to place your electronic signature. Look for the section in the document that requires a signature. Pandadoc makes this step easy with a simple drag and drop feature. Locate the signature field, which is usually displayed on the right hand side of the editing toolbar. Click on it, hold, and drag it over to the designated signing area of the document. Make sure you place it precisely where required and release the mouse button to drop it into place. Congratulations, you've now placed your signature on the document. You can take a moment to review it, and if everything looks good, go ahead and finalize your signature. Depending on the settings, you might also click a finish button to complete the signing process. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully e-signed a document using Pandadoc. This efficient process saves time and allows you to focus on what really matters. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you use Pandadoc, the more fluent and efficient you'll become in handling your documents electronically. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy signing!